Hello coders, this particular video will be over MS Word and the topic of our discussion will be how to effectively create a form in Word. So this form is something like if I write name and then I am giving a space and after that I have to give some underscore. When the printout of this particular paper is being done, you can write something over name and then father's name. So give a space to it. So as you can see that this name, the if you just take a look into the margin, it's below 2, but this the father's name, this one is below. So this particular is below this one, 4.5. So if you want to make the line, I mean the length of the line, I mean to fit according to the parent one or to the previous line. So it might seem that if a space is being, if a particular underscore is being removed, then maybe both of the lines will be proper. But the thing is that when you are having several headings in this way in the form, and if you want to manually give this underscore and you want to align the lines accordingly, it will be a hectic one. So what is the solution to it, which we will be discussing in this particular word, that is how to create a form. So let me I just pressed backspace after selecting that one to remove those underscore. So let me write out the names, that is the labels of the form. The label is name, then father's name, maybe PAN number, and maybe address, ADD, RESS. Fine, so far so good. And maybe lastly we will be having academic qualification, maybe academic qualification. Fine. So now what you need to do is that instead of manually just selecting clicking beside that particular label and just giving an underscore, what you can do is that let me press backspace and remove those underscore. Select all of this particular, all of the labels of the form which you are going to give some underscore. So within this paragraph section, this is a paragraph group. So these are tabs, home, insert, design, these are all tabs. And the portion of the thing which is hanging from the tab, it is known as the ribbon. So within the home tab of the ribbon, there is a paragraph group. You need to click on this particular here. Paragraph setting which it says, which reveals some extra feature which you can add to your MS Word. Now click on this particular option and here you will be having tabs. Click on this one. So tab, so it is being written tab stops 1.27 centimeter. So it is asking to give some value in centimeter. What will be the length of those? Whenever I am pressing tab, what will be the length of those underscore, or so it can be an underscore, this one 4, or maybe it will be dot dot dot, this one. This is the second option, and third one is this hyphen. So I am going for the underscore and I am wishing that maybe it will be 18 centimeter maybe. Now let me click on let me select this the fourth option. This is the style of the underscore which I want to apply to this four column label, to these four labels of the form. Now let me press OK. Now all you have to do is that you have to just give a space to look it to make it look better, and then press tab. Simple. Again go here, give a space, tab. Again space, tab. Again space, tab. Again space, tab. So if you can remember, with these four labels we give a value something like, I think 18 centimeter that was. So let me click on tab and let me see. Yeah, it was 18 centimeter. So this 18 centimeter basically means this is the space which it is consuming. So let me give some other label, maybe A, S, D, F, G, H, something a bigger one, and the last one maybe N, B, H. Fine. So before ending the video, we'll be practicing the same thing. We'll be selecting this to one. In this paragraph setting option, we'll be going to the tab. So instead of 18 centimeter, let me clear it out. We'll be giving here this time maybe 10 centimeter, 10 cm. After writing 10 cm, I am clicking on this set, and we want these labels to be followed by a particular the style of underscore. So the style will be this one and not this dot dot dot. We earlier selected what the label which was what this particular, this two column label, name, father's name, those were in this particular kind of style, that is fourth one, underscore. Let me select the second option and see how it looks. Now press OK. Now all you need to do is that you need to press a space and then tab. Again a space and tab. Now notice that this particular label is consuming much of the page margin, so it's below most probably 3, but this NBH is below 2. So though the labels, the length of the labels are varying, yet whenever I am pressing tab, the style of the form to write down the value to that particular label, those are in proper order. So that's a short tips and tricks in Word in how you can utilize MS Word to create some forms. So that's all for this video. Thank you all guys, and thanks for sticking to the end of this video, the end of the discussion, and happy coding guys. See you again for some other video. Thank you.